Hello students, today I am going to take question number 3 from exercise 14.2 of class 10th subject math, in which we are given a data and from the given data we have to find the model and mean monthly expenditure of families. So for calculating the mode, we have a formula. The formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2, for which we have to first of all calculate the value of L. To calculate the value of L, we have to find out the model class, and model class is the class having the highest frequency. The model class is 15000 to 2000. So this one is the value of L 1500. Then F1, it is the frequency of model class. F0, frequency of the class which is before the model class, that is 24, and F2 is the frequency of the class which is after the model class. The value of H is the difference between upper limit and lower limit, that is 1500 minus 1000, because it is same for all class interval. Now when we put the values of the given numbers in the formula, we have mode equals to 1500 प्लस करते हैं इसको F1 is 40 minus 24 divided by 2F1, 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 multiply 500, it is 1500, माइनस करोगे 16 मल्टीप्लाई 500 डिवाइडेड बाय 80 माइनस 7, 2 और 3 5, इट इज़ 1500 प्लस मल्टीप्लाई करो, इट इज़ 8000 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 2. So it will come out to be 1500. जब इनको डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें आंसर मिलेगा डिवाइड करके देख लेते हैं एक बार, इट इज 8000 23 3 times 69 4 times 92 23 it is 161 डेसिमल. अगर 8 से देखते हैं, 8 3 ज़ा 24, 2 8 2 ज़ा 16 और 2 18. तो व्हेन वी ऐड देम it will come out to be 1847.8. So in this way we have the first value of mode, that is 1847.8. Now we have to calculate the mean. Now in order to calculate mean, we can use any of the method other than direct method, because these values are quite bigger one. So we will use assumed mean method. For that we have to calculate xi, and the value of xi is, दोनों की एडिशन करो और 2 से डिवाइड करो. 15 और 10 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, इट इज़ 1250. Difference is 500. So keep on adding 500. 2250, 2750, 3250, 3750, 4250, then 4750. So here we have to calculate the value of A. A जो है that is, मैंने उस दिन भी बताया था, एक एक करके नंबर छोड़ते जाओ. We are left with these two. So I am going to take, इन दोनों में से कोई भी चूज कर सकते हो. I am going to take this one as a value of A. So here A comes out to be 3250. It is the value of A. So after that we have to find out the value of DI, and DI equals to XI minus A. XI is our 1250 minus 3250. It is 1750 minus 3250. 2250 minus 3250. 2750 minus 3250. 3250 minus 32. Then 3750 minus 3250. 4250 minus 3250. Then 4750 minus. So when we subtract, here we get minus 2000. Here it is minus 1570. Here it is minus 1000. Here it is minus 500. It is 0. It will be 500, 1000. Then we have to calculate Fi DI. This is our Fi. तो यहाँ 0 0 है. 24 into 2 minus 48. 30. 4 into 15. 4 into 15, 60. Then 30. It is minus 33. 28 into 5, it is 140. With 20, it is then 0. It is 110. With 20, it is 16,000. It is 105. With 20. So we have to add them in order to find. सिग्मा एफ आई डी आई, इन दोनों 1 2 3 4 को अलग से ऐड कर लेते हैं, प्लस वाले अलग से ऐड कर लेते हैं. इट इज़ 0 0 then 5. It is 6 1 2 and 3. Here I think it will be 3 7 माइनस, यहाँ ऐड करो, it will be 3 0, then 8 और 3 11, 11 और 4 15, it is 1 1 और 4 5, 5 और 6 11, 11 and 3 14, 14 and 1 15. Once again let us check it. ये 3 0 आ गई सारी, 8 और 3 11, 11 और 4 15 1 1 2 2 3 5, 5 और 6 11, 11 and 4. अब इनको करना माइनस, माइनस किस किस को करना है, 1,50,5,000 माइनस 37,500, 10 minus 5, it is 5. It will come out to be minus 117,500. Now we have also to find out the value of sigma fi, and sigma fi is it is 200, and we have the formula to calculate mean. A sigma fi di upon A is, here we have 3250 plus sigma fi di is minus 117,500 divided by sigma fi is 200, 0 cancel out, 3250 minus, it is 1175 divided by 2, 3250 minus 2 5 times 10 1 2 8 times 16 1 2 7. So when we subtract 3250 minus 587.5, it is 2, it is 6, it is 6, it is 6, so it will be 2662.5. So in this way we can calculate the mean as well as mode of the given data.